Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry with noodles. First, ensure all your ingredients are prepped before you start cooking. This includes chopping your chosen vegetables into uniform pieces and having your protein ready. Cook your noodles al dente, then rinse them with cold water to prevent sticking. This preparation is key for a smooth and quick cooking process, ensuring everything is ready to go into the wok or pan. Now let's get cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of high smoke point oil in your wok or large skillet over high heat. Add your protein and stir-fry until it's almost cooked through, then set it aside. Next, add your harder vegetables, such as carrots and broccoli, cooking them for 2 to 3 minutes until they start to soften but still retain some crispness. This layering of ingredients ensures everything cooks perfectly. It's time to bring everything together for that perfect stir-fry experience. Add your softer vegetables, like bell peppers and snow peas, to the wok and stir-fry briefly. Then, return your cooked protein to the pan along with the prepared noodles. Finally, pour your delicious stir-fry sauce over all the ingredients. Toss everything gently but thoroughly to ensure every noodle and piece of vegetable is coated in that flavorful sauce. Your delicious homemade stir-fry with noodles is now ready. Garnish it with some fresh cilantro, chopped green onions, or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds for an extra touch of flavor and presentation. Serve it immediately while it's hot to enjoy the vibrant textures and aromas. This quick and versatile meal is perfect for any weeknight. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.